How can elaborative interrogation improve your understanding? Imagine you're trying to learn something new, like how photosynthesis works or why a historical event happened. Instead of just reading the facts over and over, what if you asked yourself questions that make you think deeper? That's what elaborative interrogation is all about. It's a simple but powerful way to turn passive reading into active learning. When you ask yourself, why does this make sense? Or why would this be true in this case? You force your brain to connect new information with what you already know. This process makes the learning stick better because it creates mental links between ideas. For example, if you're studying biology and read about how plants convert sunlight into energy, you might ask, why do plants need sunlight for this process? Or, what happens if a plant doesn't get enough sunlight? Answering these questions makes you think about the concepts more critically. Instead of just memorizing facts, you understand the reasons behind them. This helps you remember the information longer and makes it easier to recall during a test or real-life situation. Elaborative interrogation also makes studying more engaging. Instead of passively reading or highlighting text, you actively question what you're learning. This keeps your mind involved and prevents boredom. It's especially useful when studying facts or short passages because it encourages you to explain things in your own words. When you generate explanations, you're practicing how to communicate ideas clearly, which boosts your comprehension. You don't need special tools or long training to use this technique. Just add why questions to your notes or quizzes. For example, after reading a paragraph, ask yourself, why is this important? Or why does this happen? If you're in a study group, discuss these questions with others. This kind of active questioning makes your study sessions more effective and helps you learn faster. But keep in mind, your prior knowledge plays a role. The more you already know about a topic, the easier it is to connect new facts to what you already understand. Also, try to generate plausible and accurate explanations. If your answers are superficial or wrong, the benefits decrease. This method works best with clear facts or short texts, not necessarily complex problems or long chapters. In practical terms, you can improve your understanding by adding why questions to your notes or reading materials. Use quizzes that ask you to explain concepts or discuss these questions with classmates. When you actively question what you're learning, you move beyond simple memorization. You start to understand the material on a deeper level, which makes it easier to remember and apply later. So, in short, elaborative interrogation boosts your understanding by making learning an active process. It pushes you to explain, connect, and think critically about what you're studying. This simple technique takes only a little extra time but offers big rewards in how well you grasp and remember information. It's a smart way to turn passive study into active learning and get more out of every session.